Hey there! Today we're diving into a fascinating problem regarding Python's handling of strings. Did you know that Python does slice by copy on strings? It's quite the conundrum that has puzzled many developers. Is this something that all implementations of Python need to respect? Or is it just a detail of the CPython implementation? Let's find out more about this intriguing problem. In the solution to our problem, we discovered that the reason Python copies underlying memory on string slices is to avoid complications with reference counting and garbage collection. This approach is specific to the CPython implementation, as reference counting itself is an implementation detail. While copying string slices could potentially be avoided, a past attempt to do so was rejected by Guido due to performance concerns. It's interesting to note that certain slices in CPython do not copy, but this too is an implementation detail. The intricacies of Python's string handling sure make for a complex yet captivating topic. Solution aside, the key takeaway here is that the handling of string slices in Python is intricately tied to Python's implementation details. While efforts have been made to optimize this process, certain aspects may still seem like a mystery to many developers. It's always fascinating to uncover the inner workings of programming languages and see how they evolve over time. And with that, we've come to the end of our exploration into Python's string handling. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!